In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all invoices in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what you're looking at, so you can quickly review every invoice in your books, whether it's open, paid, or overdue. First, go to QuickBooks Online. Open it in your browser and sign in if prompted. When you land on the dashboard, take a moment to let the home page load completely so your navigation menu is up to date. This ensures you'll see the latest options based on your company settings and user permissions. Next, head to Sales and Get Paid. You'll find this on the left-hand navigation menu. Depending on your layout, it may simply be labeled Sales. This section is your hub for customer-related money in, estimates, invoices, payments, and statements. Going here narrows the view to everything tied to customer billing and collection, making it the natural starting point when you want to review invoices. From there, select Invoices. This opens the full invoice list for your company. The page displays each invoice as a row, typically showing the customer name, invoice number, date, due date, status, and amount. If you manage a high volume of billing, this screen is where you can get a comprehensive snapshot of what's been billed, what's outstanding, and what's already paid. You'll notice a status column that helps you understand the life cycle of each invoice at a glance. Open usually means the customer still owes you. Paid indicates it's been settled. Overdue flags invoices past their due date, which is helpful for prioritizing follow-up. The totals and subtotals on this page often give you a quick sense of overall receivables too. Across the top, you may see tools to narrow what appears in the list, such as date ranges, status, or customer. There's often a search field if you know a customer name or invoice number. Sorting by date or amount helps you bring the most urgent or largest invoices to the top, so you can focus attention where it matters. Selecting any invoice line typically opens its details, where you can review the items, terms, and history. If your view looks different, don't worry. QuickBooks sometimes updates page layouts, and your role can affect what you see. The Invoices tab within Sales is the consistent destination for the complete list. Once you're here, you're looking at the full picture of your invoicing activity. That's it. Go to QuickBooks, open Sales and Get Paid, then Invoices, and you'll have every invoice right in front of you.